In the eternal twilight of the Southern Ocean, thousands of meters below the reach of the sun, lies a landscape of fire and ice. Here, amid volcanic trenches and newly exposed seafloors, lives a predator that challenges everything we know about one of Earth's simplest life forms. This is the death ball sponge Chondrocladia sp. November, a meat-eating marvel of the abyss. Documentary profile. The abyssal snare. A radical departure. For hundreds of millions of years, sponges have been the ocean's quiet laborers, passively filtering water to survive. But in the extreme depths of the Antarctic, the death ball has abandoned this peaceful existence for a life of active predation. The velvet trap. Unlike your kitchen sponge, this species is covered in a forest of microscopic, glass-like hooks called spicules. To a small crustacean, touching the surface of this sponge is like brushing against high-strength Velcro. Once snagged, there is no escape. Spherical design. Its death ball shape, a series of translucent, bubble-like spheres atop a rigid stalk, is an engineering feat. These spheres can be inflated to increase surface area, turning the sponge into a living minefield for any creature drifting by in the current. The slow enveloping. Once prey is caught, the sponge doesn't eat, in the traditional sense. Instead, its cells begin a slow, gruesome migration toward the victim, eventually growing over and through the prey to digest it externally over several days. Discovery in a lost world. The death ball was only revealed to human eyes in early 2025 during the Ocean Census flagship expedition. Hidden under ice. The species was found in an area of the Bellingshausen Sea that had been sealed beneath 150 meters of ice for centuries. When a massive iceberg, A84, calved from the George VI ice shelf, it exposed a biodiversity oasis that had never been sampled. Extreme habitat. It was filmed by the ROV Sebastian at a staggering depth of 3,601 meters, 11,814 feet near Montague Island. In this high-pressure, near-freezing environment, traditional filter feeding is often inefficient because nutrients are so scarce, making carnivory a vital survival strategy. An ecosystem of horrors. The death ball sponge is not alone in its macabre habitat. It shares its home with a cast of characters that seem better suited for a gothic novel. Zombie worms, ossidax, mouthless worms that use acid to dissolve the bones of dead whales. Iridescent scale worms. Armored predators that shimmer with a metallic sheen in the ROV's headlights. Juvenile colossal squid. The 2025 expedition also captured the first ever confirmed footage of a young colossal squid, proving these trenches are nurseries for the ocean's giants. Subscribe to our channel for more educative videos. Thank you.